Hello again everybody, it's Jesse Ladner here and welcome back to another video. And on this video we're going to be unboxing the Smartro projection alarm clock with weather station. Now last year I had unboxed this Lacros technology, which you see over there is indoor-outdoor thermometer. But the outdoor thermometer started malfunctioning around the summer. I'm going to say it was either this past May or June is when it started malfunctioning. I don't remember exactly, but it was like stuck at -40 for a while, so I was like, the heck with it. So I haven't hooked the outdoor thermometer up since. So this will be replacing that over there. I'll also try to find the video, the unboxing video of this somewhere up here, if I can. So yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get this unboxed. Need scissors. Wait, did it slice through or? No, it didn't. Okay, hold on. Sorry about that. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Also, I do have batteries ready right here. This is just a 16-pack of AA's. The RadioFac. There are a fair brand, but they just don't last as long like Duracell or Energizer, but they were an okay brand too. Alright, here is the instruction manual here. Tells you all the features there. Your voice matters. Okay, maybe, I don't know what that is. Have a chance to get a free remote sensor. Ooh, that would be nice. So that you can program that more than one remote sensors. And, of course, yeah. Alright, so here is the device itself. As you see here. That popping noise you probably hear in the background, that's just them firing off some more fireworks. Here's the back of the unit. We'll turn the alarm off. Alarm 2 off, projection on, and there's a tab here. Let's actually pull this out, and I'll come back with that in a minute. Here's the plug. It's the plug. Here is the remote sensor. I believe this does take 2 AA, just as I expected. And there's different channels you can put on, but this is going to be set to channel 1. So we'll put battery. Let's see here. Let me just pause and see what I need to do here. Okay, so it's wanting me to unscrew this thing here and pull the tab out. So let me do that first. And it takes, as you can see here, it takes this lithium battery, the CR2032, CR2032, the same, it's actually the same lithium batteries that you would use on the CMOS battery of an older, or maybe not an older, but I don't know if modern computers have this too or not, but, yeah, so it does. So the display will not work if it loses power. I was not really expecting that, because if this one loses power, it could still work, because I went ahead and unplugged it. Just the projection on it will not work if it's running off a battery. But this one, on the other hand, sadly, yeah. Alright, now it's wanting to plug it in. Let's see, where's the, oh, there it is. The plugs on the, there you go. Plugs right there. It didn't say nothing about putting the batteries in the wireless sensor yet. Well, I did turn the projection off for right now. I know I said I had it on earlier, but I'm going to shut it off just for now. So I'll set this up. And it should. There we go. And it should say something about it beeping 3 times, I think. Okay. This is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to put batteries in the wireless sensor. I got to open up this pack real quick first. Come on, come on. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put 2 AA batteries in here. It is set to channel 1, like I said. Okay, batteries are in it. And there you go. It's got reading temperature you see in the bottom left corner of that screen there. Now it does have a thing where you can mount it. I used to have it setting hanging outside with a screw. I think it's actually sitting on my dresser somewhere. But now I want to program the time. So the indoors on the bottom right, the outdoors on the bottom left, and you got your forecast thing, which is, let's see. Now let me see. How do you? I would manually set it, or let me figure out if I can. Hold on. Just a second here. Well, I guess I gotta manually set it, I guess. I don't know if this has automatic time on it or not, so I'll just set it manually just in case. Oh, it even, look here. I just now noticed this. It reads, yeah, that. What time is it? 7:41 p.m. Let's see. I don't hear a beeping sound, which I don't know why I don't. I apologize about that. I don't know if y'all heard my mom cussing there. I apologize. I don't know what she's... I think one of the dogs just ran, and that's probably why she's cussing. 2021. That's the month. The day is the 2nd, I believe. It is. I don't even know what that last setting there was. I got distracted. I don't... Sorry, y'all. I'm getting it's just so... Mold risk. The heck? Oh, okay. That's what that was there. Wait. Really? Hang on, y'all. I'm just a second, y'all. I'm sorry. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, I think one of the dogs ran inside because they're popping fireworks outside. English. And I don't know what the forecast is. I don't know. I'll just set this later if I have to. I thought it would have an automatic thing, but maybe what's this button here do? Oh, it's probably just the that's button's probably just programming the... Okay, that's probably just to program any other. Maximum, minimum temperature. Why is this thing scrolling? I don't know why this thing's scrolling through. Let me... How do you make it stop? Oh my goodness. Just give me a minute, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't want it cycling through the channels. There we go. Okay, I just had to press one of the channel buttons. Oh, wait, okay, so I think I figured it out. You have to, I think you gotta hold the minus button to make it automatically set right. Oh, great. For whatever reason, I just made it go dead. Isn't that... This is so stressful. Just hold on, y'all. I know it's... Wait, maybe I gotta... Hold on. Let's see. There. Okay, got it. Because I hitting the wrong button, actually. I really don't know if it's programmed. I'll just have to see. I guess it doesn't have automatic time on it or not. I guess it doesn't. Well, let's test the projection now. I really don't know. Oh, I think I see what that arrow is for now. Okay, yeah, so now I know what that arrows are for. It's supposed to... Oh, it's not as bright, or it's not out of focus. I hope there's a way to get it in focus or whatever. There's no way to get it focused? Oh boy, I don't know about this now. Let's just set this out the way and I'll show you what it looks like. And I'll actually hit the button where you can see it the other way just a second. Okay. Wait, did it turn around? I don't know. Yeah, it did. I don't know, y'all. Just... There. It is kind of out of focus. I hope there's a focus setting on it, because... There you go. I'm trying to find my light switch. Oh, there's really no focus. Hold on. There's really no focus? I don't know about that now. There's not a focus projector on it, which that's not something I'm not happy with. Well, I guess it's going to be kind of blurry, I guess, when I'm laying here. I was not expecting that. Yeah, it is blurry. The outdoor temperature is at the time is. Man. Well, I was definitely not expecting that at all. There's no time and temp protection. Adjustable backlight and projection. Well, hold on. Okay, so it says press the arrow button, whatever the heck you want to call it, to adjust the brightness. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, it does that. And there's only a 2 setting. Yeah, but there's still it says nothing about no focus adjustment or anything, which I'm kind of not happy about. So, I'm kind of aggravated right now. I can't see the time that well, but I can see the outdoor temperature well. Let me turn it around again so y'all can see show y'all what I mean. Apparently I'm not pressing it quick enough. There you go. Well, There. I mean, you can see, you can tell the time is a little bit out of focus, but the outdoor temperature is clearer, and the indoor rather. So it does display both the indoor and outdoor. I am happy about that. The time, on the other hand, it's kind of blurry. And like I said numerous times now, there is no focus adjustment. Now if I press this, it's in the middle. Currently, wait a minute. Oh, maybe I gotta press and hold it. Okay, now the whole light's not wanting to adjust. Isn't that just great? It says mold risk is low. I didn't know it had that kind now. So I guess there's no automatic time for it. I'm pressing the light button and it's not doing anything. Oh wait. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm supposed to be pressing set. Okay, that's the button I'm looking for here. So there's the 3 different settings. That's the button I was trying to look for. I don't know what was going on there. So yeah. Alright, well that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go hook the outdoor thermometer up outside. And I will, of course, let me turn the light back on in my room. That's pretty much it. Seems to work very good so far. And hopefully this will last longer. Not a half a year like my other one did. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and end off the video now. I'll update y'all if this seems to work for a while. Once again, this was the Smartro projection alarm clock with weather station. I just don't think this one has the automatic time on it like this other one here did. There are some things I like about this one that I don't like about that one. Well, you know what or I should say the other way. There are some things I like about that one that I don't like about this one. You know what I mean. So you can't adjust the focus on the projection because, like I said, the time is a little bit out of focus than the temperature. But I'm going to go set this up outside now. I will let y'all know how it goes another time. Thanks for watching.